to another week.
Here we are, it is Monday, the start of an awesome, great week, I am sure. I hope you guys had a great time this weekend. This week's gonna be really great. We've got some awesome activities planned for you. Let's dig into today. Today is a bit dark, it's a bit grey and bleak, so I think this is the perfect day for a nice warm inside treat. It's gonna be part of today's fun slot. Gertrude, get off my Bible.
She needs Jesus too.
Why don't we move into today's scripture?
Today's scripture is Psalm 34, verse 10.
Yeah, it says, "The lions may grow weak and hungry, but those who seek the Lord lack no good thing."
For those that don't know, lions are actually one of my favorite animals, and they're depicted in the Bible often. Lions represent courage and strength and all those good things. The psalmist is choosing lions because that is a known thing. That lions are seen as strong. They're making a point by saying the lions may grow weak and hungry.
And let's be real, right? Lions were built to hunt. They're fast, big claws, they're cats, right? Like, they were built to hunt. God designed them to hunt and to be very good and very efficient at it, right? This psalm is beautiful imagery, comparing the lion and its powerful and its hunting and its good, well-built qualities, and saying that even those lions will go hungry. They'll grow weak and hungry. I grew up watching documentary shows, David Attenborough over on the TV, right? And in those shows, like, lions don't always make their catch. They will go hungry. They will have periods where the gazelle or whatever it may be, like, outfoxed them and got away. Like, they will grow weak and hungry.
It goes on to say that those that seek the Lord will lack no good thing. I don't know about you, but I don't always feel as strong as a lion. So it's encouraging to know that as long as I'm seeking the Lord, I will be given everything I need. Not always what I want, but everything I need.
Time and time again, God shows that He provides us all that we need. He shows us that we are blessed abundantly more than the lion. Even in our times of trial and things that may perceive to be dark, that God is still providing good things. God is still blessing our lives.
So there may be things that you feel like you're missing out on. Maybe you're missing your church community. Maybe you miss shopping. Maybe you miss seeing your friends in school. But all needs, God will meet. As long as you seek God, He will fill those wants in your heart.
So, for today's fun slot, we are gonna do one of my favorite snacks ever.
Wait, we can't just lay on the sofa and eat Doritos.
Okay, we're gonna do my second favorite snack ever. We are gonna do brownies in a mug, okay? It's really easy. It's so easy that I just know the recipe from the top of my head.
From your heart.
From my top of my heart. And it's gonna be really great, and I'm gonna teach you all how to do it. So, step number 1, get your favorite mug that is suitable to go in the microwave. Check. Step number 2, we're gonna mix the dry ingredients all together. I've kind of measured some of these out already to save some time. In this first bowl, I have, and you have one too, we have a 1/4 cup of flour. Pour 1/4 cup of flour into your mug. It's not supposed to take this long. Wow, I thought this was gonna be easy.
Yours is more open.
Okay, it'll be fine. You know, baking is all about, like, estimating. It doesn't have to be precise.
No, that's cooking.
Okay.
Baking is precise.
Also, a significant amount of sugar, a 1/4 cup of sugar. Okay, so we've got a 1/4 cup of flour, and now we have a 1/4 cup of sugar. It's kind of like my coffee. Is 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. We have actual baking one, but this week, but 9 times out of 10, I just use like the old Swiss Miss, just hot chocolate powder. It all works the same. You just kind of mix it up so that your ingredients are somewhat mixed in the bowl, okay? Now we're going to start adding our wet ingredients. So, step number 4 is add a 1/4 cup of water. We already measured that out to save some time. The royal we did. Mix that up just a little bit. It's going to be 2 tablespoons of oil. We're using vegetable oil because we just had it. You can use like canola or any of the other kinds. But oil is oil. Oh, that went over a little. 1 and a bit. 2. There you go. It doesn't take very long in the microwave. People may be like freaking out about how long it takes in the microwave, but because there's no egg in it, then you just really don't need very long to cook it. And it doesn't need the egg because you have the cup to hold it all together. 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Boom. I always remember it being more than that, but I am the professional here. Then mix it up. Now that we've mixed all of our ingredients together, we're gonna go pop it in the microwave. All microwaves are a little different watts, they cook in different speeds. For our microwave, I know precisely it takes 1 minute, 10 seconds. Yours might be a little different. Some might be really high and do it in 1 minute. Others might take 90 seconds. I would suggest put it on for 1 minute. Take a look at what's happening. That it should be cooked, but should still be moist. Here we go, let's go try that out. So here they are, about 1 minute and 10 seconds for us. Nice kind of brownie on the inside. Really, really hard to show you. It just looks like we put dirt in a cup, but it smells so good. That's it, you can just go ahead and eat your brownie like you're all set. Good job, mission accomplished. We opened up our cupboard and saw what else can we kind of put on it. Obviously, there's the idea of ice cream. Put a scoop or 2 of... What are you doing, Kat? Hey!
Hey!
But what we did is we laid out all of the things in our cupboard that could go on the top of a brownie. Number 1 would be ice cream. We actually don't have any ice cream in.
Because you ate it.
I told you we were running low on snacks.
Because you ate them all.
Right. Running low on snacks, please send help.
But we can make brownies.
But we can make brownies, so we're good. So this is what else we got. Just whipped cream, different kinds of syrups and caramel sauces and just sprinkles and whatever. Here's we've got some like unicorn looking things.
Plethora of sprinkles.
And I'm gonna put some whipped cream on mine.
You're not gonna see mine.
Well, we're just gonna believe you. Coffee syrup.
Reese's Hard Shell. Not sponsored. It always does that thing where it hardens and you can't get it out, and it really frustrates me because it's really good.
And I'm just gonna pick some random colored sprinkles.
Not using that.
All right.
Ooh, you used fishies. Yeah, I'm gonna use heart.
Oh, this is supposed to be in delicious milk drinks, and then you put fishies on.
No, I put hearts.
Oh, okay. Anything else you're putting on it? I think I might put a tiny bit of these red.
I'm gonna put a little bit pink. Oh, we have so much.
I know, I'm impressed. All right, let's show everybody.
The whipped cream is melting. Beautiful.
And there we have it. That's it. That's the whole process from start to end. It's really simple. Just need some ingredients that a lot of us probably have at home and just make it up.
Yeah.
And enjoy it. Have some nice brownie. So there we have it. There were the brownies. What did you guys think? What did you think?
I thought it was so good.
Yeah, like, man, that is like one of my go-to snacks. Hopefully you guys make them and send us a picture of your work.
So all of our contacts are in the description, so you can go there and figure out whichever way you want to send it to us. So here's some photos of some folks doing yoga from last week.
Yeah, those instructors look like they really know what they're doing. So good job to those instructors.
I'm glad to see they're watching our video and not the professional one.
Yes, absolutely. We also have some more exercise videos coming up later on this week.
Yeah, and here's a new subscriber that joined our family. And here's a lovely comment that Abby left for us.
We like Abby.
She's nice.
So that's it for today. Hope you guys had fun and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye!